Hello, my name is Ken Baker from Green Pro Solutions, Jonestown, Pennsylvania. I'm here with Martin from Shechtman Tree in Abington, Pennsylvania. Martin and his team have recently become a partner family of the 21st Century PHC Sprinter. Martin, I guess you're a growing company, and tell us a little bit about yourself and how you come to find the Sprinter in your new fleet.
Sure. So the Sprinter to us is the going to be the piece going forward that I think we want to kind of build out our planned healthcare program with. It's going to become the centerpiece of our planned healthcare program. The look, the design of it, and really, to be honest, when I first looked at it, a little intimidating to first look at, but once Ken kind of walked us through it, I was thoroughly impressed, and I'm actually kind of extremely comfortable, even just after the demonstration, with how easy it is. I think how easy it's going to be to use going forward. So yeah.
How do you think this is going to change your production as to what you used to with your other equipment? And how is this going to help or not change the future of your business?
Well, first and foremost, I think that for us, the way that the truck is set up, we've got the big 400-gallon tank. That's your sort of standing tank, and then for us, I think that the ease and the ability to mix the smaller amounts, the real concentrated sort of treatments, the real targeted treatments. That's what we were looking for, and I think that's going to be really our target going forward, is those targeted applications. So the ability to kind of have the potential to do a large fertilization job where you might be using 50 to 100 gallons to fertilize a large tree, and then also the ability to do these small targeted treatments where you might just be treating for azalea bark scale or something like that. I think that's where our profit is going to kind of maximize.
So what do you see the future holding for this type of vehicle in your industry?
I think that this is the future of the industry, to be honest. I mean, when I was first introduced to the vehicle from Gary, I was thoroughly impressed. I was just kind of blown away by the potential that it held. We have a couple of vehicles where we're running our planned healthcare program. We have our big monster tank that we use for our fertilizing, which I think everybody knows. And then, of course, we have our smaller tank where we would kind of do our run around kind of thing. I think this provides both. But I think the difference is the look, and I think the difference is the perception and the professional look that the Sprinter setup provides. I think that is the game changer, to be honest with you. Yeah.
So what you know now, based on the presentation of the truck, even though it's only been one day, do you think you'd buy another one in the future?
I'm already, as you know, and as the conversation, this is not for Ken. I'm already vying for the next one, for sure. Yeah. No, I think anybody that's thinking about starting a planned healthcare program, where it's centering around possibly planned healthcare, that this is a game changer and it's a no-brainer.
Well, thank you, Martin.
Ken,
Very much
it was my pleasure, for sure.
Thank you. Again, it's Ken Baker from Green Pro Solutions, another happy customer with Green Pro products.